Okay everybody, today we're going to store some files in a list. So we'll store some entries, not files. Store entries in our list here. So I'm going to create the function directory. And we're going to create the path, which is going to be my desktop. Desktop there. And we're going to use the list directory. List directory, we create a variable here, which is equal to os.list directory. That's going to be the path. We want all these entries here, and for our list, store entries dot append the list directory. Okay, and then we're going to print a message to our user. Items stored in list. New line character there. And I think we'll do another new line character. And then the store entries. Okay, and now we're going to search it. So search list. Okay. So we're going to print you can now search the list. So we're going to use search is equal to input. Enter item. Okay, if search in store entries we're going to say something. Print. We're going to use the format string. I'm going to use it in two different ways in this program to show you two different ways of using this format string. So the first method is this. It's going to be search. And it's going to say found. Okay, and we're going to do an else here. Else print. And this is the other way of doing the format string. Not found. I'm going to do dot format search. Okay, now we're just going to call the program. We're going to call them both. So we've got directory and we've got search list. Okay. So we're just going to save that and we'll run it. Okay, so these are all the entries on my directories and stuff like that. On my desktop here, I want to search for one. let's search for something really easy. Let's just stretch this out so we know what we're doing here. Let's start search for this X here. So let's type in X. Oh, there we go, X found. Okay, let's do that again. Let's type in something that won't be in there. So let's type in something very, very random that will not appear in there. So this not found. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. Remember to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.